30 push-ups, just 30. That's it. No fancy equipment, no gym membership, just you and the floor. What if I told you that doing only 30 push-ups every day for 1 month could completely transform your body? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, stick around, because today we're breaking down exactly what happens to your body when you commit to this simple challenge. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be dropping to the floor to crank out your first 30 seconds. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about what 30 push-ups a day actually does to your body. Push-ups are a compound exercise, meaning they work multiple muscle groups at once. We're talking chest, shoulders, triceps, core, and even your lower back. But what happens when you do them every single day for 30 days? Let's break it down point by point. Let's be honest. Day 1 is usually the hardest. If you haven't been working out regularly, 30 push-ups can feel like an uphill battle. Your arms might shake, your core might give out, and you might even be gasping for air. But don't worry, it only gets better from here. The first week is all about adaptation. Your muscles are like, whoa, what's going on here? You might feel sore, but that's a good sign. It means your body is waking up. By the end of the first week, you'll notice your strength and endurance starting to improve. Those 30 push-ups will feel a little easier and your form will get better. By now, something crazy happens. Your push-ups feel smoother and your reps don't leave you breathless anymore. Your chest and shoulders look a little more defined, and your arms, they're starting to feel stronger. Your body is officially adapting. Oh, and let's not forget, your metabolism is kicking into high gear, helping you burn more calories even when you're resting. Push-ups are a great way to build lean muscle, especially if you're consistent. And don't worry if you're not seeing a six-pack yet. We'll get to that. Now, this is where things get interesting. Not only are your arms and chest getting stronger, but your posture improves too. Less back pain, better core stability, and even your energy levels go through the roof. Plus, push-ups engage your triceps, chest, shoulders, and abs. So you're literally working multiple muscles in one simple move. This means better posture, less back pain, and a stronger midsection. You might even notice your stomach looking flatter. Here's the moment of truth. 1 full month of 30 push-ups a day. Your arms are more toned, your chest looks sculpted, and your endurance has skyrocketed. You've not only transformed your body, but also your mind. Sticking to a daily habit like this builds mental discipline. You'll feel more confident, not just in your physical abilities, but in your ability to commit to something and see it through. And let's be real, there's nothing more satisfying than looking in the mirror and seeing the results of your hard work. But the benefits don't stop at the mirror. You feel stronger, more confident, and maybe even inspired to push beyond just 30 push-ups a day. Now let's talk about the science behind why this works. Consistent body weight exercises like push-ups can significantly improve muscular endurance and overall fitness. The key is consistency. It's not about doing 100 push-ups once a week. It's about doing 30 push-ups every single day. You can keep building strength by increasing reps, adding variations like diamond or explosive push-ups, or incorporating weights into your routine. Fitness is a journey, and this is just your first step. So, are you ready to try the 30-day push-up challenge? Let me know in the comments if you're in. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a little fitness motivation. Keep pushing forward, and I'll see you in the next video.